You see, now we want to have a wider discussion on this. So there will be a special session. That's what this cabinet meeting is about. And also there has to be like what is being imposed by the government of India on all the states. This is not appropriate. You see, this Manrega Act, 20 years back, the intent of the Manrega was to give a right to work. Any landless laborer living in a village, if he is not getting a work, he gives an application to Panchayat seeking work. They have to give him work or an unemployment allowance. That was the intent of this. And to prevent migration from rural area to urban area. This was the main intent as a right of individuals. Because what happens, in the rural area, if a poor agriculture labor or a landless labor, if he doesn't have a work, then he has to go and stand in front of some landlord to give him work. And the terms are set by the landlord, that the wages he pays, the amount, hours of work, he will dictate terms to the landless labor. That was to be avoided. That was the intent of the UPA government, to give a right to work, so that government is mandated to give work to him at a dignified labor and a specific number of hours, and also an appropriate wages. That was the intent. Now the government of India, they being naturally their RSS ideology being anti-poor, and they are against poor class. Now they are imposing all this restriction. Now they are saying the government of India will decide where the work will happen. And now the government of India want to impose that this Viksit Bharat, their thing which they are doing, need to be related to Manrega work. It has to be in consonance with that. And also there is no guarantee of wages. The government of India will decide the wages. These are all the things. This is to kill Manrega. That's all. And now imposing 40% share on the state governments without consulting them. This is not constitutional at all. See, these are things that can't be done. This is a federal system. So states have to be taken into confidence. You see, the NDA government, it has not taken any state into confidence. Leave apart our Congress ruled or opposition ruled state. Even their own states were not consulted. What kind of democracy is this? So this is what it cannot be accepted like this.